Israel detains 7 Palestinians in West Bank raids. Mass arrest in Egypt to quell anti-government protest. Muslim most affected by hate speech, says Erdogan. Turkey most affected if Idlib crisis worsens, FM. Turkey requests land for Bangladesh for Rohingya camps. France, Germany and UK irresponsible blame Iran, FM. Algerian court jails Bouteflika's brother for 15 years. Somalia, Kenya agree to normalize bilateral relations. Blast targeting Somali military official kills 3. Rohingya faces genocide in Myanmar, Malaysian PM. Metro rail to speed up life in Bangladeshi capital. Pakistan PM mediating with Iran to ease Middle East tension.